Model, 2020 Fiat Ducato 35 2.3 Multijet Luton low loader needs engine repair Euro6 Vat Inclusive. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 190,098. MOT, the 18th of April 2026. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover. Engine has seized. This will need repairing or replacing. Genuine one owner Van Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than